Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make this super cute Ibloom cat paper squishy. And it's super simple and easy if you're a beginner, so I highly recommend this tutorial if you're looking for a cute, easy paper squishy to make. And anyways, let's just get started. So I will be starting off by showing you guys the supplies needed. First, you'll need a piece of paper, then any coloring material, tape, scissors, and lastly, some toy stuffing. Start off by taking a piece of paper and any sort of pencil that you can sketch with, and take your piece of paper and fold it in half. And this doesn't have to be a perfect fold, because it won't really matter in the end, but just make sure that it's decent. And then you can start sketching out your design. Okay, so I ended up finishing my sketch off camera because it's kind of hard to sketch well when you can't get up close with the camera in your face. So now I'll be doing the coloring. And just as a by the way, I realized that I didn't mention that you should draw your design on the very edge of your paper, so it ends at the bottom of your paper where your fold was made, just so your taping job is a lot easier. So I highly recommend that you do this like I did. Now that you've finished coloring, go ahead and cover your design in tape. Then take your scissors and cut your design out. And when you do this, make sure that you cut it so the back stays even. Now that you've finished cutting your squishy out, it should look something like this. And I went ahead and already colored the back, and this is optional, so feel free if you want to do it as well. But the next step is to tape the back just like you did for the front. After you've taped both sides and you have something that looks like this, you are now ready to move on to the next step, which is taping up the edges, leaving one hole open. And to do this, it's really simple for a box type shape squishy. You're just gonna take a piece of tape and put it at the edge and then fold it over. And when you get up to here of the ears, you're gonna have to maybe make a few slits with your scissors, especially when you get like here. So what I mean by that is just taking your scissors and cutting wherever you need to, and then you just fold them over so you get a more precise taped look. So do this all around your squishy except for like this part, and make sure you leave a hole that's about this big, just big enough for your hands to get through to stuff your squishy in the end. With your single hole open, go ahead and take your stuffing back out and take a decent amount out, because you want to make sure that it's not understuffed. And if you want more information on how to stuff it, then check out my video on how to stuff a squishy, which I have posted from a while ago, but I'll make sure to link that in the description. Now that you've stuffed your squishy and you're almost done, for the last time, take out your tape and get a strip as long as your hole. And then just seal up the edge like you did for the past step. And after sealing your hole shut, you are all done with your paper squishy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, and And if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye!